So with all the things that we have learned with regarding to terms, let's recap them. How do you identify terms? First, we need to locate positive or negative sign. Before at the start, we studied that we just will identify positive terms and not negative terms. Now I want to add also the negative terms so that it's faster. Right? I hope you guys are well versed with identifying the terms. So with that in mind, I want to add this point as well. So each segment between these signs or at the start and end is a term. So there's a very important note. Expression within brackets are treated as a single term regardless of the internal operation. This too we have seen. So let's take a few examples. Let's have a look. So we have a multiplication operation, then we have a negative sign and division operation. So we have here 1 and 2 terms. Next question, we have 5 and a positive sign, 6 into 2, a negative sign, 10 divided by 5. So we basically have 1, 2 and 3 terms. Right? So please try this set of 3 questions. Yeah, did you guys try it? Okay. So 8 into 3, a single term, positive sign, and so we have basically 2 terms. Next question, we have 3 into 5 plus 6 into brackets, ignoring what is happening inside the brackets and the division symbol. Yes, there are 2 terms, 1, and this entire thing is second term. So there are 2 terms. Next, you have 2 into this, I'm considering it as a single term, 2 into something divided by 5. Here there is only one term. Okay, guys. So we have 4 into 5 plus 6 into 2. So here we have 6 into minus 2. Here we have a negative sign as well. What should I do? See, clearly 6 is getting multiplied with minus 2. Right? So this is basically a single entity. This is basically a single entity. If you're considering this as a sign which is dividing 2 terms, it is not. Reason being 6 into minus 2. Okay, it's 6 into minus 2. So we have a negative sign, yes, but before that is another operation. Right, before that, before this negative sign, before the negative sign, we have another operation and not a number. Okay, so that being the reason we can't. Let me actually do this. Let me take a second. Okay, so I just lightened the text a bit. It's much easier to understand. So this is 1 and 2 terms. Okay, so this is something that I would want you guys to keep in mind. Yeah. So that's how you get to identify terms. It's a very simple thing. Okay, I think I just want to add few more questions over here. Let me think of few more questions. Okay, so please try this 4 questions. Please try this. Pause and try. I hope you guys did this. Okay, let's look at it. So we have 2 into minus 5. Again, remember, it's the same funda as what we saw before. this negative sign is before a multiplication symbol and not a number. And so what happens over here? We just have to count this as the only negative sign that is dividing two terms. So basically here we have 1 and 2. Let me change the color. We have 1 and 2. There are two terms. Next, we have 3 into something in brackets. For now, we'll ignore that. Minus of 3 into minus 4. So this minus 4 is not counted for the same reason. So there is no immediate number before or after this. So this negative sign is not dividing any two numbers per se. No two terms are being divided because of this negative sign. And so we have 3 into something minus, so we have 2 terms. We have 30 divided by minus 5, minus of 4 into minus 10, minus of minus 4. So we have 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 terms. Okay, then we have 6 minus 4 plus 5 minus of 6 into 3. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 terms.